Assalamu alaikum. My name is Onik, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel. So for that you need to go google.com, google.com, and press enter. Then you need a Gmail account. So if you already have your Gmail account, just log in. So I'm gonna log in my Gmail account. After login, you need to verify that. Here it is. I verify myself. Voila, I am entered my account. Now, after login, you need to search youtube.com. YouTube or youtube.com. Then enter YouTube. After entering that, you need to go to this icon on top right side. So here you need to go to YouTube Studio, which is here. Then you need to pick a name for your YouTube channel. For suppose I need to name it, and it's your desirable name. So you also can add your pictures from here. I'm not adding any pictures. I'm just showing you. So I just name it my full name, Anikul Onikul Islam. Headline already taken, so it give me another headline. So I just make it create a channel. After that, I successfully created a channel. It's give me some options that this email account is the owner, and general it is USD, US dollar. Basic, you can select here from your country. I'm from Bangladesh, so I give it that. And you can enter your channel name here as a keyword. And just that's it. Your channel is ready. And now you can upload any video, but it say to me to verify myself. If I verify myself with a phone number, then I can do this. I mean, I can upload any video. So I will show you how. After that, your channel should be look like this. I have already created and I have some videos on my YouTube channel, so it's showing like this right now. I have currently 15 subscribers. Your subscribe count here, your view count here, and your watch time count here. And the earning system is here. If you are eligible, their desirable target, then you can earn some money from YouTube. So that's it, and you can create, upload any videos from here. After verifying your phone number, I already did it, so I can upload videos, go to live, create posts, new playlist, new broadcast, even new codes. Even I already upload some codes. If you want, you can check it out from my videos, YouTube videos, like content. And here it is. I upload some Excel's videos, course videos, so you can watch, and it is frequently here. So that's for it today. I hope you find out that how to create a YouTube channel. That's for it today. Allah Hafiz.